shows another proof that this can be written in this form. So let's start off with 2 cosine squared x plus 5 sine x equals 4. And we want it all in terms of sine squared. So I can write that cosine, so sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. So cosine squared x equals 1 subtract sine squared x. So that means I can write this as 2 brackets 1 subtract sine squared x plus 5 sine x equals 4. Expand the brackets, 2 subtract 2 sine squared x plus 5 sine x, and subtract a 4 from both sides equals 0. And therefore I get negative 2 sine squared x plus 5 sine x. Sine x plus 2 subtract 4 is subtract 2 equals 0, multiplied by negative 1. 2 sine squared x subtract 5 sine x plus 2 equals 0. Quod erat demonstrandum. Part A is done. Hence the command term saying use what I've done before, even if I've not been able to do it, solve this. When I don't have to solve this, I can solve this. So I need to solve 2 sine squared x subtract 5 sine x plus 2 equals 0. Let me put a equals sine x to make it easier. So I get 2a squared subtract 5a plus 2 equals 0. We can multiply this by this to get 4. And I want factors of 4, which is 1 and 4, or 2 and 2. And if I want to get a negative 5, I need to make this a negative 1 and negative 4. That's the power I want. So 2a squared and the plus 2 stay the same. And this value here are split into these two. So we have a subtract and a subtract of 4a. Now let's factorize this bit to get an a out of that and nothing else, to 2a subtract 1. And then the next bit, if I've got a 2a subtract 1 to make this section, that's negative 2 times those, so it's negative 2 there. So I get a subtract 2, 2a subtract 1 equals 0, a equals 2, or a equals a half. Substitute back in because I know that my a was a sine x, so I get sine x equals 2. No solutions, or sine x equals a half. Special triangles to get a half. That's 2, 1, root 3. That's, we're in radians, aren't we? So this is pi over 3. And sine of a half, this is pi over 6. So I've got x equals pi over 6. Check on a sine graph. This one's between 0 and 2 pi. This is pi over 6 is one solution. I should have this one is pi over 6 that way. So this is 5 pi over 6. And I've got no other solutions to positive a half anywhere down here because the other one's a negative a half here. So those are my solutions.